Hello, my name is Martin Cowan, and I am the founder of the Fellowship of Reason. And this video is our Ancient Greek Language Study Group. And please remember that I am not a teacher of Ancient Greek, although I do play one on YouTube. This is merely my public attempt to do my homework and hopefully help my fellow students if they're interested. So, my last video was about the present participle of the verb to be, and this video is going to be about that too, although it's going to be a little bit more in depth on the subject. So here is the first slide that I did the last time, the present participle of the verb to be, and as you can see, the top 12 cells are the singular, the bottom 12 cells are the plural. And let me attempt to read these words: on, onta, ontos, onti, ontes, ontas, onton, usi, usa, usan, uses, use, usai, usas, uson, useis, usais, on, ontos, onti, onta, onta, onton, usi. Okay, we did that last time. I also talked about some structures which I thought were interesting for the purpose of learning, and I've modified the cells so that this is more clearer from the image. All right, so I was talking about how the masculine neuter stem is mostly the same, and so I pulled out all the stems that don't match this, and so you can see the masculine stem is omicron, nu, tau, and that's the stem over there, and this is the stem over here. I've kept in these forms up here. I'm talking about the nominative singular masculine and the neuter singular masculine and neuter singular accusative, because we don't want to forget those. But you can see that the stem is the same, and that's important for memorization purposes. All right, this next slide points out something I also said in the prior video, and that is that in the masculine neuter, the forms are the same in the genitive singular and in the genitive plural. So this sort of reduces the number of things which we have to memorize, and that's why I include that here. All right, the other point that I made in my first video was that the feminine stem us occurs in every instance of the feminine, but it also goes over into the genitive plural, the masculine and the genitive plural in the neuter. So the stem is us, usa, usan, uses, use, usai, usas, uson, usais. Another point that I made was that these endings in the feminine are very similar to the definite article. The definite article is the. They're very similar to the definite article, the feminine definite article. The only exception here is in the nominative singular and the accusative singular, where the eta in the definite article becomes an alpha. So it's on, ace, I, as, on, ice. And so these last 6 cells are the definite article minus the tau. All right, so that's all I want to do on the verb to be. Again, I'm just doing my homework out loud. I did mention last time that there was a phrase that I was having difficulty with, and I want to do it one more time. This phrase means Peleus, son of Achilles, and it's the fourth and fifth words in of the Iliad, Homer's Iliad. And let me try the words. It's Peleiado, Peleiadeo, Peleiadeo, Peleiadeo Achilleos, Peleiado Achilleos. Okay, that's where we're working on the memorization of those first 18 words of the text. Again, this is the Ancient Greek Language Study Group. I'm doing this video in preparation for the class, which will occur on October the 10th, 2018. I'm basically doing my homework out loud. I am not an Ancient Greek language teacher. I only play one on YouTube. Thanks for watching.